So OnePlus has rolled out a brand new incremental update for the OnePlus Nord 2, which brings about some changes and fixes to the system and camera. Well, without wasting any more time, let us get on with this brand new video. So this is my OnePlus Nord 2, and going to settings and then about phone and going to version, we can see that the build number is the previous one, that is A.09, and going to Android version, we can see that the Android security patch is still of June 5th. Now going to system update, we can see that there is a brand new incremental update available for this device, that is A.10. Here is the entire changelog of fixes and optimizations that are done in this update. The update size is 245 MB. Well, my update is already downloaded, so let us now click on restart to restart and finalize this brand new update. The reboot might take some more time, so you should be patient while updating, as this has an update process that is similar to the ColorOS devices. Now that our device is successfully rebooted, we will get a brand new pop-up that is similar to the Oppo devices. Well, going to settings and then software update, we can see that this device is up to date and the Android security patch is updated to August 2021. And also, we have lost the entire changelog, which was quite useful in Oxygen OS. Now going to about phone, we can see that it has been updated to A.10. Now that all this is out of the way, let us now go through the changelog of this device. Firstly, under system, it has improved system stability as usual. Next, optimized PUBG and other mobile games to reduce system power consumption. Next, fixed the issue that Face Unlock might fail in some scenes. And as shown earlier, updated Android security patch to August 2021. Secondly, under camera, it now has an improved app stability. Now that the changelog is out of the way, let us now go through the device to see if there are some changes that are done behind the scenes with this update. Firstly, going to the OnePlus launcher, we can see that the version is still the same as before, that is 5.2.26, so there are no new changes that are done to this launcher. Secondly, going to app info of the camera, we can see that there is slight change that is done to the app version. This is related to the optimizations done in the camera with this changelog. Now, let us check the performance of this device. As you can see, the previous AnTuTu score was 5,20,577. Now, let us check the scores after the update. As you can see, the score has now been decreased to 4,77,647. The device went up to 1.3 degree and had a battery loss of 3%. Next, let us check the Geekbench scores after the update. So as you can see, the single core score is 741 and multi-core score is 2669. Now, let us see the scores before the update. Well, it looks like there is low performance with this update, as the previous update had a higher single core score but less multi-core score. These benchmark scores are just on paper scores and don't really translate to the everyday life. Finally, let us also check if the device still has L1 Widevine certification, as some OnePlus devices in the past tend to lose it after some official updates. As you can see, the device still retains the L1 Widevine certification. So that is it for today. Here are all the fixes and optimizations that are done to the OnePlus Nord 2 with this brand new A.10 update. If you experience any bugs or issues, do let me know in the comment section down below and I will get back to you very soon. Well, if you stuck around till the end, I really hope that you can subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you very soon.